Let's check with the push function of the SOYICH application. So this is a SOY ID I have created. There are files in it. Right now there is only one file 1038. I want to push this SOY ID and files in it to some other user SOY ID. So first step is to click on the push icon in front of the SOY ID which we want to push. So pop-up will appear informing that SOY ID has been located. Okay. The selected SOY ID appears in the source SOY ID field. Okay. So you have to enter the password here. So I have created password 12 here. In SOYICH you can push one SOY ID to many SOY IDs, one SOY ID to one SOY ID. That means one to one, one to many to one, and many to many options. So you can add various options here. A lot of options are there, and here also you can add. So right now I am setting only one to one. So this is my source SOY ID which I just want to send it to other users SOY ID. And other users, I have another account of mine, so I am sending it here. It's my trip. There are no files here, so I'm just copying it from here and I'm pasting it here. So this generally SOYICH finds the SOY ID existing in its server. So this is the SOY ID I just want to push this SOY ID. So I know the password. So I'm clicking on push icon. That's great. Now the files in the SOY ID has been sent to the another SOY ID, and I can continue with this. So now you can find it here. So the file has already pushed here and it appears here. The application will ask for the password. This is the password. 12 is the password. This is my file.